So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at 435. And the overall situation of Bitcoin is getting interesting because it has dropped like this. Now, this is not something you expect on Friday. This is something that you see on Friday and you expect the continuation of this on Saturday, because this is something I told you that Fridays and Saturdays are green, Sundays and Mondays are red. This is the game they're playing from past 1 month. But somehow I think if I have to find something to blame, I will blame Bybit for it. Right now, the $1.4 billion Ethereum hack of Bybit has led to uncertainty in the eyes of retailers, and I think it's just a reaction to that. But the good part is that at least the deliverance was nice. The promise I gave you yesterday of going towards 100K, as it held on to 97,300. It did go up 99,400 something. So at least the game works, the structures work, everything is intact, and 97,300 is sent by God from heavens to act as a decision maker for us. We are again under 97,300, so you can pretty much guess what game we are playing right now. Now, if we look at it from the good perspective, this thing has gone way down, which means that now for it to get bearish, it really needs to go to $94,000. Even if it goes to $95,000, it is not bearish. It will be staying above this red line, which is the downward trend. It will be staying above it because this is, if you stretch this line, you can see it goes to lower and lower prices. This is the beauty of it. But if you look at it from the perspective of support and resistance, the 97,300 is an important area, and all this warfare that is going on from previous 3 weeks now, it is all about this one region. Until and unless we solidify and never look back towards 97,300, which means we don't even drop to it, touch it, and do nothing with it and just continue to stay up, then we can expect upward journey. As long as we play this game of Tom and Jerry, while we we go to 100K and then drop towards it, and 100K and drop towards it. It's not a big drop, to be honest with you. A normal drop in Bitcoin right now on the at the price it is sitting right now is $5,000. A $5,000 drop is not a dramatic drop for Bitcoin to begin with. But as this region is important, we would like it to stop dropping if it wants to go up. If it doesn't, that only indicates that there is uncertainty in the market and it is only going to get worse. I have already mentioned my 2 case scenarios, that if 97,300 is not holding, I am expecting $85,000, which works with this case scenario I have shared of having a red closing of February and a red opening of March, because March I'm expecting it to be a green month, and for a green month you need to have a red start, because that way it looks more of a juicy narrative. So if it is sitting at 85K and then it goes to 100K in March, that's a $15,000 move. So Bitcoin will come out as a hero, and the month will look green in history. That in 2025 it will be written in the golden words that the month of March was green, and because opening was low and closing was high for the month. So it works from that story's perspective, and other than that, there is nothing else for me to add. Bitcoin is doing what it is supposed to do. It is playing according to the ranges. Until and unless it doesn't make a decision, you are stuck with the uncertainty. It really depends on what do you think of the market. If you think the market is going to go down, all these movements are just an exit strategy for you. When it goes towards 100K, you just get the hell out of it and leave it, because you expect it to go towards 85K. If you think no, market is bullish, then whenever it drops towards 94, 92, 93, 95, you buy, because you're preparing for 110 and 120. It depends on which side do you live on. But at this stage, 97,300 is an area that is a decision maker. It's either going to drop $15,000 or it's going to go up $15,000 from 97,300. That kind of a case scenario. So let's see which side it picks. For me, I have shared what I wanted to share. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.